Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TEL TV, where today we're experiencing automotive excellence with the 2026 Mercedes S-Class in this striking blackish-gray finish that changes character with every angle of light. This vehicle continues to set the standard for luxury sedans worldwide. The first impression is one of effortless elegance. The signature grille now features even more refined chrome detailing, positioned between sophisticated digital LED headlights. The blackish-gray paint enhances the car's timeless proportions, the long hood, flowing roofline, and elegant rear end with its distinctive lighting signature. The 21-inch alloy wheels are as much a design statement as they are functional components. Inside, the S-Class elevates luxury to new heights. The seats rival first-class airline accommodations with multiple massage programs, heating, cooling, and an extraordinary range of adjustments. Every control surface feels meticulously crafted, from the fine wood trim to the precisely engineered metal switches. The dashboard is dominated by an expansive hyperscreen that seamlessly integrates multiple displays into one cohesive interface. Performance comes from a sophisticated 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six hybrid powertrain, delivering 367 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The 9-speed automatic transmission operates with imperceptible smoothness, while the air suspension eliminates road imperfections. At cruising speeds, the cabin remains so quiet that even the finest details of the premium audio system can be appreciated. Despite its size, the S-Class displays remarkable agility. Rear axle steering dramatically improves maneuverability, while the all-wheel drive system provides unshakable traction. Overtaking is effortless, thanks to the immediate response of the hybrid system. The technological features verge on futuristic. The navigation system can overlay directions onto real-time camera views. The comfort systems automatically adjust multiple parameters to reduce fatigue. Doors can be opened with simple gestures, and even the headrests contain speakers for private conversations. Practical considerations haven't been overlooked. Rear seat passengers enjoy exceptional comfort with generous reclining capability. The trunk offers ample space for luggage, and thoughtful touches like temperature-controlled cup holders demonstrate Mercedes's attention to detail. Pricing begins at $118,000, reflecting the S-Class's position at the pinnacle of automotive luxury. That concludes our examination of this remarkable vehicle. What do you think about the latest evolution of the S-Class? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, please like the video, subscribe to TEL TV for more premium automotive content, and activate notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Thank you for watching.